Niseko is Japan's most well-known ski resort, with loads of light powder snow, excellent backcountry, and a big number of foreigners, particularly Australians, who have helped to popularize the resort area with the international skiing snowboarding community in recent decades. As a result, Niseko's resorts are highly accessible and friendly to international guests, who are kept occupied with a variety of large long ski slopes, endless snow, and an increasing number of after-ski activities. In addition to kilometers of ski trails, several of Niseko's resorts provide off-trail skiing, which is a very unusual feature at most other Japanese ski resorts. The backcountry is accessible through specific gates located around the resorts, as well as guided trips and helicopter tours. Mount Niseko Annupuri is home to all of Niseko's ski resorts. Grand Hirafu, Niseko Village, and Annupuri are the three major resorts that cover the most of southeastern side of the mountain, with a few smaller resorts dotted around their perimeter. The largest three are linked to the summit of the mountain, and it is possible to ski between them, with shuttle buses connecting them at their bases. The Niseko All Mountain Pass is a unique combo ticket that grants admission to all three resorts. The Powder Hounds prize for the greatest ski terrain in Japan goes to Niseko. Other best skiing in Japan honors given to Niseko include Greatest Powder, Best Off-Piste Terrain, Best Slack Country, Easy Accessible Backcountry, and Best Overall Resort. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Niseko Ski Resort is suited to skiers and boarders of all ability levels. Beginners and intermediates will appreciate the variety of groomed drones available. Niseko offers excellent off-piste skiing for powder hounds. The slack country and backcountry options are also very impressive, and thankfully both off-piste and out-of-bounds riding is permitted. The mix of alpine and tree skiing is another feature that distinguishes Niseko from many other Japanese ski resorts. Fair weather skiers who want to get a tan are the only ones that might not like Niseko. In the peak of winter, Niseko rarely sees the sun and has lots of cold weather, but powder hunters don't mind because it's the bad weather that brings all the great powder. Niseko luckily has a variety of gondolas and hooded chairs. Niseko offers a wide variety of lodging options, including hotels, pensions, lodges, and several self-contained homes and cottages. Some of the houses are ski in, ski out, while many of them require a short walk or a shuttle ride to the ski slope. If you are a little nervous about traveling in a foreign land, then Niseko is the place to go because it caters really well to international tourists. For English-speaking visitors, communication is far simpler than at any other ski resort in Japan. The majority of the staff at the accommodations and restaurants speak English, and the resort signage is in both English and Japanese. Restaurants' menus are also in English.